All right, that's cool. So, all right, I hit the go live button on YouTube and it told me that I was live. And then I just looked, I noticed nobody has said anything in the chat for the past 45 minutes. The stream, I thought the stream has been up for 45 minutes. Apparently it hasn't. So, I just noticed that it didn't actually go live. So, thank you YouTube for that. Yeah, I know. Trust me. I know. I just realized it. It was like, what is going on? So, yeah, pretty dumb there. I've literally been sitting here talking to myself for 45 minutes. So, that tells you how my day is going already. Thanks, YouTube. Great job. So, if you're just joining me, I'm in SBPH. I was looking for it to break 150 back here. I got in at 145. It's not happened yet. And it's in this channel, and I'm waiting. Got a stop loss at 138. About 7-cent stop loss. Just didn't quite get the. Yeah. This isn't quite get. It ain't quite getting very much volume yet, so. It's been getting a little bit of volume, but it's just in this channel right now. VVPR was the other stock I was looking at before I decided to get in SBPH, and VVPR actually just went on a pretty nice run. So shoulda, I don't know. But yeah, just waiting to see if SBPH is going to get back up to that 150 area. And my swing trade torque is still looking decent. I'm about 1350 on it. Still slowly building. And VVPR looks like it might start going again here. And until this gets back up to 150, it's not going to do anything. CLCP with a little bounce there off $2. Arlo's still looking good. SBPH starting to look a little sketchy here. Did I seem out of it? I'm fine. I'm a little distraught that I've been talking to myself for 45 minutes. But, you know, sometimes you just gotta sit here and talk to yourself for 45 minutes. You gotta do a whole live stream talking presentation for yourself and only yourself. But no, I'm fine. I don't know. Maybe I look tired or something. I don't know. I'm feeling a little distraught about this trade too, because it was between SBPH or VVPR, and as of right now it looks like I chose entirely wrong, so that's a little annoying. Yeah, doing warm-ups, yeah. Yeah, it's just doing, little vocal warm-ups, getting ready for the live stream. But yeah, I'm a little annoyed at my decision making. Cause this would have been a great play to get in on. But sometimes Sometimes you just gotta. Well, there's one buyer at $1.40 right now holding that support up. This may crack. The chances of it cracking are really good. That 140 support, because it is right on that 140 support. I was thinking since it was in this channel, it was going to get back up to $1.50. At least try to test it, but I don't know. Another buyer came in there at 140, so it was still a little support. It's got to hold up though. I think VVPR might have another rip in it. Kind of got a flag, a little bull flag going on here. See SBPH move up finally. Yeah, a little move. Let's see it get back above that VWAP and stuff. It might be a little while on this play. No, okay, so some of y'all just joining me. Let me explain what happened. I've been sitting here for 45 minutes talking to myself. I hit the go live button, which is the button you hit when you're streaming for YouTube. I clicked it and it said I was live, or at least I thought it did, and then I continued to talk for 45 minutes about stocks to myself. Ooh, this is about to crack. But 5 minutes ago, I realized, I looked over and saw nobody had said anything in the chat, and there was not and the go live button was still needing to be pressed. So I don't know. Either something happened with YouTube or something happened with my brain, but either way, I've been sitting here for 45 minutes talking to myself, and I got my stop loss just got hit on SBPH. So that channel cracked, $31 loss there. And there goes VVPR again. I'm not on that funk. I'm not on that funk. But what I was saying was the two main stocks I was looking at was SBPH and VVPR, and I guess I chose the wrong one apparently, because VVPR has just went crazy. So that's unfortunate, but it is what it is. Yeah, so I was not secretly trading. I was just giving myself a 45-minute pep talk. That's what happened. A lot of selling coming into this now. Big sell there at 137, so that's done. So see, CLCP starting to come back up. Man, that was a big rebound. RRIF. Where did this guy come out of? This is an interesting stock. Let's see. It just had a. Oh, it's just halted. If this breaks over the high day at 208, this might keep. Oh, then there it goes too. I was about to say this might keep running. Yeah, it's got to break the 50-day here. If it can break the 50, which it kind of already has. The 50 is at like 212. Yeah. If it can get through this, and looks like it's going to, yeah, man, this is going to rip hard. This is going to get halted again. Yep. It's getting halted right now. There it goes. Yep. That would have been a good one. I'd have hopped in right there. That break of the high of day. Yeah, halted. Definitely halted. So that's two. That's two I missed. Because this stupid trade here. Got me, old SBPH. Now this has room all the way up to 459, so yeah. All the way up to 459. We'll see where this comes out at, but this is a good run. It's actually not a bad market we're in this week. So far it's been pretty decent. We've had runners. Today's actually really nice. We got a COCP. It's went 70%. BVPR 85%. Now SPEX it's went 129%. So pretty hot market for it to be all the drama going on. So we'll see where SPEX comes out of this halt. See what happens. Probably in the stream a little bit after that. I know I just started the stream, but I thought I started the stream at 8:30, so I've only got $90 to trade with right now. So there's not really much I can do else today. But I am curious to see how much more Specs has got in it. Let's check on Aurora. How's Aurora doing? Aurora still dropping. Oh boy, Planet 13. Planet 13's alright. Still in that same area. Oh boy. My brain is not working today, guys. My chart is on a 3-year instead of a 1-year. Let's see if that would have made it, if that would have changed my thought process. NIO. NIO's a little down there. Yeah, you could get a rebound off of this. It's the second time it kind of bounced off that 450 area, so you could look for that. If I keep missing these big rips on these stocks, so I have to really evaluate my thought process. It's one of the things that makes it so hard on a small account challenge. Once you get in a stock and you've got all your funds, and when you used all your funds on a small account, you just don't have. You're just out of luck until 2 days later. I could have took this trade, and when it started not doing anything, I could just got out and went and traded something else. But being on a small cash account, it is one of the tricky things. You just have to try to make the right decision the first time. If you don't, then you don't. Nothing you can do about it. So we're getting unhalted here. Let's see what happens. That's the second stock in a row where it didn't gap up very much out of the halt. Yeah, I know. Thanks for rubbing it in. I'm well aware of how much I would have made on COCP yesterday. I woke up and saw it at $2 this morning. I just shook my head in disgust. It's like, ugh. I was in on that stock at 75 cents yesterday. How painful. It hurts the soul. I didn't want to think about it. I wasn't even going to bring that up. So, thanks. Thanks, Daniel. Gonna have to go see my therapist now. Wouldn't that be something? Have a therapist for your stock trading? It looks like Specs is going to start ripping here if it gets through 250 again. Or not again, but if it gets through 250. Yeah, let's see. Yeah. Yeah, no, there it goes right through 250. Oh, no, still struggling on 250. I thought it was about to go. It's trying. Starting to get bids at 250, and they keep dropping out. Looks like it's starting to sell off now a little bit. So you got some resistance at 250 on that. VPR, CLCP. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it definitely seems people are spooked on it. A lot of different stocks today moving. This is a ways off the VWAP. This could have a pullback. COCP looks pre-market strong. Well, it's definitely came back up after that sell-off there. It's really not much of a pattern on it at all, though. Just kind of sideways. See SPX starting to come back up. SPX kind of starting to flag a little bit. Looks like it's going to try 250 again here. There it goes. Right through 250. How far are you gonna go? What is going on in the chat right now? What are you talking about? what, what? Daniel B, as a guess, he is against VWAPs and EMAs right now. And One Life's talking about Bob Dole being on Viagra. So, very interesting live stream chat today. The lack thereof, but now live stream chat that is on. I think tomorrow I'm just gonna make my stupid watch list with very few stocks on it, only the ones that have volume. A Daniel B. Tape is most important? What do you mean by tape is most important? I'm confused. A Daniel B live stream might be interesting. Daniel seems like one of those guys who okay. I follow you. I'm following you. So everybody else is watching these lines. So that puts us all in the same boat and doesn't give us an advantage by looking at the lines. This tape is show price. You talking about the level 2? So I'm so confused right now. You guys realize I talked to myself for 45 minutes this morning because I didn't hit the go live button correctly or something. So you're talking kind of philosophical right now, and I'm having a hard time following along. No, One Life's crying. I'm so lost right now. I don't know what's going on. I'm trying to follow what you're saying. Y'all are confusing me though. So we should take off all of our indicators. Is that what you're saying, Daniel B? Trade the level 2 and don't even look at indicators? I'm not. I'm on that funk. I'm not on the funk. Oh my god. Oh. Don't listen to Daniel. Look at the chart and read the price. He's a crazy vodka drinking European. Oh my god. Okay. I want to see if SPX is gonna rip any higher than this. Looks like it's trying. Got 250 trying to hold up as support. This ought to rip soon. If this is going to. There's a very nice flag going up. The weekend. Are you talking about the Sunday live stream that we're going to start doing here soon? Is that what you're talking about? Yes, no, maybe so. Are you talking about, is that what you're talking about? The Sunday live stream? Yeah. Okay. Let's see if SPAEX is about to rip here. Looks like it's trying to. But yeah, we're still gonna do the Sunday live stream. It was just that week that I got sick. I was not able to get everything uh, ready for it because I got an idea. I got a big idea for that live stream. And you guys will know when the first episode is. I'm going to promote it. There's going to be some advertising behind it. And in the first episode, we're going to have a special guest from another YouTube channel. And then One Life is going to be on there on the live stream too. And then the second episode, I've got Marina, the trader chick, who's going to be on it. So I've got plans for it. We're going to do it. It's going to be more of a, instead of just a live stream, it's going to be more of a podcast. So it's going to be like the first, well, I don't know if it's the first, but I've not seen any other ones. But it's going to be the first live stream kind of stock market podcast type of thing. I'm going to try to have guests on every episode, if possible. So we'll be starting that soon. I've just got to get all the hardware and stuff, all the streaming stuff with multiple people. I have to get all that worked out. That's where I'm at with that. It's just got to wait for that to all the live streaming stuff to pan out. You know, I can't even hit the go live button on my streams that I'm doing right now. So, you know, might be a little bit, but I am gonna advertise it. It will be on the channel. It will be advertised on Facebook and Instagram and everything. I just said, Daniel B, that I want a guest on every episode, so I want to see first how how three people work with having one life and who this other secret guest that I'll tell you guys about when it gets closer to the time. It's not anything amazing or crazy, but he knows his stuff. But then I'm gonna have Marina. If it works out, the first episode with three people on there, then maybe I'll have you on the second one with Marina, or maybe on the third one. So if you want to be on it, Daniel B, I will get you on there too. Just let me get everything worked out to get it going, so I can start this. But yeah, that's the plan. That's the plan. Just let me get everything worked out, and then we'll. If you want to be on there, it's fine whether you're joking or not. Like I just plan on having you on one of the episodes. Um, I just don't know how many people the live stream can hold. Uh, on there, and there's a certain way that I have to do it to set it all up that I'm working on. So I'm working on it. We're gonna have that come. We're gonna have that coming soon. So it'll basically be a podcast every Sunday night. And then I've got a new video I'm working on today. I've already recorded it and edited a little bit, but it's going to be a pretty interesting video for the long-term investors. And I've got other plans. We're going to keep expanding the channel and bringing more content. So no worries. Now that I'm back healthy, the week of Vince Neil. Who is Vince Neil? I don't even know who Vince Neil is. You guys, let me Google who Vince Neil is. I'll probably sound like an idiot because I don't know who it is. It sounds familiar. I may just not know right off the top of my head. I may know exactly who it is once I see. It's not going to be Vince Neil. He's an American musician. Oh. Oh, okay. Gotcha. From Motley Crue. I don't really listen to Motley Crue, nor do I know I know I don't know. I don't ain't gonna make myself sound any more stupider than I already sound. So yeah, I've heard of Vince Neil. I know who Motley Crue is, but not really my cup of tea. It's just speculation. Just Vince Neil on a stock podcast. That'd be something. It might be Bob Barker. You don't know. I might have brought Bob Barker's old ass out here to jump on the live stream with me. That would be something. Every time you trading stocks, about to get in an entry, you got Bob Barker. Just right. I definitely ain't listening to the Beatles. I don't like all that. Beatles is it's okay, but it's not my cup of tea. But can you imagine just having Bob Barker standing behind you while you're trading, and then like you get a good entry, and he's like, "The price is right." Like, it would be great. I'm gonna see if I can hire Bob Barker just to be my announcer. Oh, come on, Daniel B. Come on, man. Come on. What are you doing, man? What are you doing? It's way too early for that. God, man. Oh, my dog's barking. See, you don't upset my dog, man. Don't. That's just. Uh. Uh. Yeah, that was low. Extremely too soon, I would say. Extremely. Yikes. You were not wrong. Daniel B is definitely a vodka drinking European. I think he's already been on the vodka this morning. Alright, guys. Well, I apologize for the issues with the stream. This is my own stupidity, I guess. But we'll be back tomorrow. And I will make sure that the stream is up at 8:30. So I'm not talking to myself. My wife's asleep. She's been asleep. The dog is just barking because he likes to bark, and he's crazy. He's a crazy little stupid Australian Shepherd that loves barking and is so nice. Such a snuggly, nice dog, and then he acts like he's a gangster and can take anybody. It's not him. It's all acting. I know it. But yeah. Anyway, we'll be back here tomorrow. Try to make the right decision on the stocks tomorrow, not the wrong decision. But yeah, appreciate you guys joining me for this kind of short stream. Like I said, I'll make sure it works tomorrow at the right time. But we will see you guys tomorrow. So you guys have a great rest of your day.